here we are at the Universal Studio Singapore. Hey, it's not Singapore, it's Japan lah. I mean Japan! Universal Studios Japan! Baby, are you excited for tomorrow? Say yes! This is the ParkFront Hotel. Oh my god, it's so near! So, we are at the ParkFront Hotel at Universal Studios Japan! So I'm gonna check in, and by right our check-in is at 3 p.m. But we are crazy people going to Osaka to do some shopping and stuff like that. And I got some stuff in that bag as well. And like that's why it caused us into a delay. So this is why we are checking in really late. I don't know how it's gonna turn out like, but it looks so beautiful. The ParkFront Hotel is just nearby the JR train station. And we have the time travel kind of thing. We can take photos here. Maybe tomorrow we can take photos lah. Tonight we check in first. Okay. Yeah, check-in.
Two-person, 2 night. Name, home address, phone number, signature, parking.
Okay.
Copy either. Yes. 10 floor, 1, 0, and 2. Outlook, Tachongi. Departure 21. Check-out time 12.
You excited? We got our boarding pass for the space-time traveling from the ParkFront Hotel. So this is actually the room from the view from the ParkFront Hotel. So I believe this is the toilet. We have the toilet over here in a different room, and we have the showering area. This is the showering area. How do I open this? Oh, so we can have all this stuff for ourselves. We can switch on the lights as well. There is a bed, a large bed, and here is the view. Look at the view, it's so beautiful. The view of the city outside. There is a place for us to hang our coats as well, and some shoes. So these slippers have been provided for your use in your guest room. Refrain from going out of your room with slipper. Okay, fine. That seems okay. So we have some stuff here that we non-smoking policy, and we get fined if we smoke, but we are not smokers. There is stuff here as well that we can put. I don't know if there is room service we can get. Yeah, so this is the place where we can keep our stuff. We have hot drinks as well. There is a humidifier to heat up the place.
No, humidifier lah.
Then what?
Air purifier.
Okay, so air purifier to heat up the place. This is the TV. Let me go to, I want to watch TV. So we are at Universal Studios Japan, and time check right now is actually, so now it's 9:30, and as you guys can see, everybody is rushing, and it's just 1 hour after opening. Universal Studios Japan is a really like popular attraction place. So I would say that it's always best and advisable for you guys to get the express ticket, even though express ticket is quite expensive, but like it's worth it, knowing that there are hundreds and hundreds of people walking to get their queue. Are you excited? Yay! I am excited, but the queue doesn't excite me. We go to Universal Japan without using any express ticket. So because we were on a budget trip. There's a lot of souvenirs here. As you guys can see, you can buy minions, you can buy early parking.
Oh, this, yes, okay, this scan.
Scanner.
Yes, okay.
So where do we go to scan stuff? Can we go to the shortest route queue? It's crazy. So my advice for you guys is to actually go there early and get into the queue and just rush to the most popular attraction. Go, 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 go. So please don't be late. Please don't wake up late like us because we are exhausted. We are travelers. We travel from one place to another. So here we are at the one of the souvenir shops. I had to do a survey and the survey gave me a free gift. It's so nice here. You can get these souvenirs. You're not taking it? You're not taking it?
Yeah, no bag.
No back Just go from only. Yeah, separate okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So we took the single ride. So I will be separated from Daniel. But we can't afford to wait extra 40 minutes just for us to sit together. So, well, this is the single ride. We didn't ride the backdrop, we ride the Hollywood Dream. It was crazy, like as you guys can see over there. It's going up. The time where I go up, I was like crazy, like oh my god. And I took the single ride instead of the family one because the single ride is more faster. And technically it's just like, 40 minutes difference. So we will still prefer riding the single ride than the family ride because we cannot afford to lose our time here in Japan. Like I told you guys that we are risky people and we took just normal tickets. In the end, we couldn't wait because like one ride is just like 90 minutes. So we ended up like taking express ticket so that we can be faster and we can go more rides. So we are at the Flying Dinosaur and we got the express ticket. I'm really quite scared actually. I don't know how to feel about it. The line looks like from the normal one. That much people. As you guys can see, that much people over there is the normal queue. I think Flying Dinosaur is like one of the most craziest rides, guys. As you guys can see over here, Flying Dinosaur is like you just go from the front all the way to like that, and then after that we go backwards. The scariest part, I tell you guys, like the scariest part is when you move to the front and then we go all the way back. That's what I feel but I would say that it is crazy. It is so fun. You guys should try the flying dinosaur in Universal Studios Japan. Butter beer, it is non-alcoholic, and the one that I have with me is the hot butter beer. Let's taste it. Interesting. It have like those milky taste. I don't know how to explain it, but it's awesome. You should try it out here in Universal Studios Japan.
Divination and protection against evil and malign sorcery. 飲食目的で写真撮影